Send automatic messages on Facebook with just one click. Let's start now. First, log in your Facebook accounts into MKT Care. You can add multiple accounts at once, allowing you to send messages in parallel and speed up your campaigns. Next, go to the Send Messages feature. This is where we'll set up everything for our messaging campaign. White heavy checkmark, choose the Messaging tab, pencil enter your message content. You can add emojis, hashtags, or use spin text for variation. Clipboard paste the Facebook user IDs or profile links you want to message. MKT Care lets you message any Facebook user by simply pasting their ID list. You can even create multiple message templates to make every message look unique and natural. Once everything is ready, select which Facebook accounts you want to use for sending. You can choose one or multiple accounts depending on your setup, then simply hit start, and MKT Care will automatically log in and start sending messages in bulk. Finally, open Messenger to check the results. As you can see, all messages have been sent successfully. Correct content, correct timing, everything runs automatically, no manual work needed. So, with just 4 simple steps, you can now send bulk automated messages on Facebook using MKT Care. This tool helps you save hours of manual work, connect with customers faster, and close more sales effortlessly. If you'd like to try it right now, drop a comment or message me with the contact info below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on automated marketing.